Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to change a volume buttons function in the camera app on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let's check for what the volume buttons are right now responsible for. So let me press the volume down button. And as you can see, all they can do is to simply volume up or volume down the music, the sounds. So here we've got the regular function applied, and in order to change it, just tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here we've got the volume buttons function, so simply tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. Now we've got volume applied, and I've just shown it to you, but we can also set zoom, shutter countdown and shutter. So I think I will show you all of those options. So let me pick zoom firstly, and now let's get back, and after tapping, actually pressing the volume up button, you can get closer to the object, and obviously the volume down button, you can go further, so you can zoom out. So this is how it works here. So let's check another option. Let's tap on volume buttons function and let me pick a shutter countdown. Let's get back and let me press the volume down button, and as you can see, your device is automatically counting down from 2, and the same situation will be with a volume up button. Okay, so now the last option, which was simply the shutter. So all you can do with volume buttons right now is to take a photo. So I am pressing volume down button and the camera flashed a little, so it means that we just took a photo, and the same situation with volume up. So actually that's all. This is how to change volume buttons function in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.